Hi, I'm Marlene Kleiman. I'm one of the authors of the Mixing and Math program, published by Tumblehome Learning and developed at Turk, in a nonprofit in Cambridge, Mass, and funded for about 15 years by the National Science Foundation. They funded us to develop resources that a wide range of adults can use with grades K-5 children. The focus is parents and children together. Mixing and Math gets kids and parents involved in a wide range of math, from arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, to measurement, to geometry, spatial thinking, data, everyday statistics, and logic and strategy. When my kids were younger, and we were hanging around the house, whether it was making dinner, doing the laundry, or helping them with their homework, I found there were so many everyday life situations that just screamed math to me. They would time how long it took them to do different things, and instead of just letting that component of the math go by, I drew it out for them. I asked them questions about how long things took. I had them estimate, and before you know it, we were doing activities, games, and projects that really integrated math into what we did in everyday life. We've used Mixing and Math with a really wide range of parents and other adults who work with kids, from those who were very comfortable and excited about math to those who were kind of reticent and had pretty uncomfortable math experiences themselves. The way we draw everybody into the math is by starting with what people are comfortable and familiar with. If you cook with your kids, we've got ways to help you draw out math in snack time, in nutrition issues, in recipes. If you're someone who loves playing games, we've got a lot of different kinds of games, and it's not just your straight addition fact or multiplication fact games. We have some of those, but we also have a lot of ways that we weave arithmetic into logic, strategy, and reasoning games, so they're fun for all ages. If you're really comfortable with doing physical activities with kids, we've got ways for you to turn those into really fun, engaging math games that draw on existing strengths and interests.
No, it's not. Started at 7 and now it's 5.
So,
Cool.
It was 2 seconds. And took that failed. You put it the other way. 3 seconds. Yay!
So a cornerstone of the kit is the book. We've got over 100 different activities. We've got lots of projects. We've got things that involve science and engineering, lots of games. We have a deck of cards that we designed especially for this kit. We've got a lot of different types of dice. The standard 6-sided, as well as 8-sided, 10-sided, 12-sided, and dice that you can use to add your own numbers on. Since we have a lot of measurement activities, we include a measuring tape and measuring cups and spoons, so that you can designate these just as math cups and spoons and use them in the kitchen for kids to be exploring how much room different types of things take up. If you get the kit, you also get a weekly newsletter. These are brand new activities. You'll get at least 3 activities and a couple of downloadable handouts that you can use each week. A timer so kids can time how long things take. Tangrams for extra practice with spatial reasoning and geometry. And a set of 8 laminated board games and markers so that you can play them again and again and again. Everything in the kit is linked with the Common Core standards. At the back of the book, we have an extensive chart showing how each activity meets the standards. And as you look through it, you'll find plenty to meet each standard for grades K through 5.